This is a sample demo of the SOA applications which we plan to develop. Alright, so this is the OpenESP stuff. Okay, so here I have developed the required services for the applications. So we have let me show you one of those. So this is one of the application grocery store services which are being developed. So we will have the WSDL for this each of the services that are being developed, and I have copied these WSDLs to a separate folder, and I have compiled this to generate the client libraries. So I have generated the client package classes and have jarred into an archive file, GrowPlan archive file, and I will be using this for the client. Okay, apart from that, basically we have the server database here which is getting used, so need to configure the database as well as the server. So we have the Glassfish server over here, so we will be using the Glassfish server. So once we deploy this these things, right, so we need to deploy each of this project. We have the deploy method here, so we use to deploy it, clean and build and deploy it. Once it is deployed, basically you will be able to view this in the OpenESP. So all the endpoints will be viewed over here. Alright, so let me show you a sample demo. So the client which I have opted for is to use the user interface. Okay, so I have used let me sign out. Okay, so basically initially if the user is not signed in, he will not be able to check out anything. Okay, so once I have created a user called admin. Okay, so I am logging in as admin here, and we can see the products which are being displayed. So these products are being fetched from the database which are configured over here. Product so basically, and we have product by vendor as well, so where each vendor has their own product listed out. So we have customer cart, where once the user checks out, we can see the details over here. So these are the databases being maintained for all the user activities. Okay, so so the user can start buying the goods over here, so you can buy it, and if he can again go to the shop and he can buy one more thing. Alright, so once he bought it, he can also choose to remove the items over here. Okay, so once he can, and once he removes it, he can check out. So this is the sample application that is being developed with the client and OpenESP services which are being deployed into the Glassfish server, and a client system which is running. Like I am using the client system, right, to start test the client. So for that I am using Java client, so which is made up of Spring Boot, and a user interface which is made up of Java Thymeleaf. Okay, that is about it. So basically this took a lot of complexities are there, so to understand initially. So just check it out. If you're okay, we can close this. Thank you.